Hi guys, today I wanted to show you some ear wipes that Artullano sent to me to review. So we're going to try these on Leo and see what he thinks. Oh, hold on, I'm going to open the package. Okay, these are round pads. So you just rub them in your dog's ear. Anyway, I'll do that and see what Leo thinks. Come here, buddy. Let's clean your ears, huh? You smell it? You have clean ears. Artullano says this is 100% plant-based. There's 100 soft wipes in here. Hypoallergenic, alcohol-free, no parabens, with coconut oil. So they're gentle. So if you have a dog that likes to roll around outside and get all dusty and dirty, and you need to clean their ears, I would give these a try. Anyway, I hope that helps.